Might want to just take this guy. Oh no, they're coming.
You ready, Hunter? Way to go!
Oh, that was amazing.
Good boy, Tim.
That was Jess's. I got one. You got two, Dick? Where are they at? There, dude. There's freaking
Shoes coming back and landing.
Where, behind?
No, on my
Are they gonna land?
Yeah.
Let them land.
Okay.
And if they get up,
landed right on my side.
if they get up, then pop them. If they get up, pop them. They're getting up. If they come back, we gotta shoot those two. Shit. That whole group left. Okay, we gotta pop them. You get the one on the right, I'll get the one on the left. Go. Are you serious?
They're both hit.
Yeah.
I saw the BBs hit them.
The one's leg is completely just dropped. It's going down.
Here, I'm gonna get him because he's gonna land. You fuck, you're gonna get Ponderosa, aren't you?
It's going in the house.
Motherfucker.
It's in the backyard.
Yep.
In the backyard. Holy crap.
That's what happens when you are hunting not too far from a suburb lake and you got a field not too far from a few houses, and you know you killed a goose because you see the BBs hit it, but it lands in someone's driveway and Justin goes and decides to pick it up because he's a hero. Yeah, it's totally dead. Badass. It's a big one too.
No, they're too high. They just climbed. They're in range, Dick. Got you! There goes that one. Watch that one out. Here come two. They dropped real far. You see them, Dick? Behind us. They're dropping. Two are right about to drop on our head.
We're on top of it?
Yes,
Yep,
look.
straight back.
They just dropped out of that group. Do you see them, Dick?
Yep. Yeah, but that's crazy.
That's pretty awesome. Makes even for a better day.